morning, Jolene. Come here, baby. Good morning. Whatever you think. That's good. Hi everybody, we're here at the farmhouse, and we're getting ready to put an orange peel texture on the walls in the living room. We've mixed up our mud to about the consistency of cake batter. Landon, are you making a cake?
Yep.
So we've got the mud mixed up and it's ready to go. We've taped up all the doors and windows, taped up the air conditioning unit. We're going to do the kitchen as well. We've taped everything up with plastic so we don't get it on that. Yesterday you should have seen a video of us, well, whenever our last video was up on YouTube, of us putting texture on the ceiling. So we've got that done. Now we're going to texture the walls. And so again, we've got the mud mixed up. We usually, for taping and feathering out and things for the wall, we usually use the lightweight. We decided to go with the all-purpose mud for this, just to see if it was maybe a little bit more consistent and thicker and would stick to the walls a little bit better. So Dad's got the what do you call this thing, Dad? A hopper?
Texture. This is the hopper.
The hopper and the texture gun.
Hopper.
And he's got that hooked up with the air hose to the air compressor that's in the other room in there. So we're going to pour the cake batter in the hopper, and we're going to show you guys how to put it on the wall. So here we go.
Oops. Oh, my bad.
All right. Okay, that's looking good. We're putting on, what would you call this, a heavy orange peel texture. I don't know if you can see that on the camera. That's a pretty heavy texture right there.
Yeah, I've done heavier and just struck it down like to get that.
Need some more? Need more air. I'll just let it catch up. I'll just wait a minute.
Yeah, it was down almost to where the regulator had it.
I'm not sure how to shoot up at this right here. Just kind of get down and shoot up at it.
I wouldn't do it that way because you leave some elongated, sections out here, try to hold it at right angle to the wall, and then just shoot it that way. If you don't, you'll end up.
Yeah, I know, like in the closet, it's hard not to some places. You can't.
But they don't notice it's about in the closet, they show up there more. That's how I go along like that, I believe. Until I get rid of the trees. Shut it off, and I'll bring you some more mud.
I got plenty of mud. It's a little thick, I don't know.
May have a thick spot today, I may not have started on that. That looks pretty good.
Okay, that's it. We got it done. We got all the walls in the living room and the kitchen done. If you want to do this for yourself, it's not that hard, and all you need is a compressor. Just go get you one of these. Do you remember about how much these are at Harbor Freight? About $100, something like that.
That?
Yeah.
No, like 49.
Okay, about $50 at Harbor Freight. They make bigger ones, but the smaller ones are nice because it's when it's full of mud, they get really heavy. So you may have to refill a little more often with the smaller one, but the bigger ones just get really heavy. Now we're going to take this and clean all the mud out of it. Anything about the compressor that you would tell people, like a pressure-wise? Now you put a regulator on the compressor, right?
It's best to put a regulator on and run this, depending on the thickness of the mud. There's different tips. Practice somewhere where it doesn't matter. You can get bigger, littler, deeper, make it by the way you mix your mud, the tips that you use. But I always try to run between 40 to 60 pounds on the regulator.
Okay.
Your compressor may go up to 90 or even 150 like this one we're using. But you want a regulator to hold the pressure down around 50. I find it works good with this tip. So if you do different tips, you may want to change it.
Okay.
Just
so
practice.
Just practice, yeah. All right, that's it for today. Hey, if you haven't already, click the subscribe button and the little bell to get notifications. Catch you later.